walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I did this red glitter eye makeup look, and this is actually my first makeup look for Valentine's 2022. So I really hope that you guys enjoy. It's very simple, so if you guys would like to recreate. To begin, I apply the PLOUISE Rudeboy red eyeshadow base all over my lid and blended this up into my crease. If you do not have the PLOUISE Rudeboy red eyeshadow base, you definitely can use a liquid lipstick, or you can just use like a regular white or cream colored eyeshadow base. Any of them will well. Also, if you guys would like a discount, you can use my code BEAUTY on the PLOUISE website, and this would give you 10% off on all of your purchases. Now I'm just going in with this is the red shade from the Juvia's Space Festival eyeshadow palette, and this is the only shade that I would be using, literally just one red eyeshadow. So I'm just applying this all over my lid and blending it up into my crease just like I did with the eyeshadow base. Now moving on to glitter. First I'm going to be applying some clear eyelash glue. This is from AOA, and this is going to be my base for the glitter. So using that same brush, I'm going into my glitter, and this glitter is from CREAZE Cosmetics. I don't know the name, but it's just their red chunky glitter.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now.
So now that I have completed applying my glitter, I'm going to move on to applying some eyelashes. So that's basically it for the eyes. As you guys can see, it was very simple to do. All I did was apply the eyeshadow base, one red eyeshadow, and then the glitter. So now moving on to my face, I already moisturized and primed. So for my foundation, I used the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade 9.5 Warm, and I'm just applying this to my face using a concealer brush, and then I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques brush to blend that out. Now for my concealer, I use the e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer in shade Deep Olive, and I also blend that out with the same Real Technique setting brush. So after I had my concealer blended out, I then went in and contoured my face using the Juvia's face shade stick in the shade Katsina. However, I did close that part of the video. And now I'm going to go in with some of the PLOUISE Acid Rain paint in the shade Riva. In the shade Google. And this is what I'm going to be using as my cream blush. I'm going to move on to setting my face. I'm starting with the highlighted areas, and for that I'm using the same Real Techniques brush, and the powder that I use is the ARISTA Cosmetics Loose Matte Face Powder in the shade Translucent Medium. So I'm just applying this to all the parts of my face that I applied my concealer. Then to set the rest of my face, I use the Sacha Cosmetics Pro Powder in the shade Perfect Spice. Now to brighten my face a bit more, I went in with the Sacha Cosmetics Loose Buttercup setting powder and just applying this using a damp sponge to my under eyes and also in the center of my forehead. And here for my blush, I use the pink shade from the same Juvia's Festival eyeshadow palette. Moving on to bronze my face, I use the Juvia's Bronzer Duo in the shade Deep Dark, and I use a lighter shade from that duo to the hollows of my cheeks, around my forehead, and also for my nose. Moving back to my eyes, I lined my waterline using the Juvia's Nubian eyeliner in the shade Kajal. And then to my lower lash line, I applied some of the PLOUISE Rudeboy Red eyeshadow base, and after I have that, I went into the red eyeshadow from the Juvia's Festival palette. Again, I'm just going to be setting the base with that. Here I'm just completing my brows by setting them with some of the PLOUISE brow gel in the shade Espresso. And now for the final touch on the eyes, I wanted a nice bright inner corner, so I applied some of the PLOUISE blank canvas paint, and then I set that with the white shade from the Juvias Place Warrior 2 eyeshadow palette. Moving on to highlighting my face, I've only been highlighting my nose, so for that I use the TOBAGLO Glo Dust in the shade Coral, and I apply this to the center bridge of my nose as well as the tip. So to complete this look, I started by lining my lips, and for that I used the PLOUISE paint in the shade Barbe Boo. I applied some of the PLOUISE base in the shade Winter Rose to the center of my lips, and after that I applied some clear lip gloss, and that would be it for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumb up, comment down below, share, subscribe. When you subscribe, please turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any future videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your